Prime Minister, the Most Honourable Dr. Hubert Minnis answering questions at his national COVID-19 press conference about temporarily assuming the cabinet portfolio of Minister of Health. The Prime Minister announced the move last month, just hours after former Health Minister Dr. Dwayne Sands tendered his resignation. Prime Minister Minnis explained when he will appoint a new Health Minister.
I think it would be unfair for me to name a new minister at this particular time and he or she be placed in a position where they would have to present their health budget to the nation. I think it would be appropriate that I'm here at this particular time, that I should deliver the health budget to the nation, after which I would then appoint a new Minister of Health soon after I deliver the budget.
Well, Prime Minister Minnis also announced that government's quarantine facilities in New Providence and Grand Bahama were deactivated today, and he clarified COVID-19 testing for Bahamians and international visitors once the borders reopen next month.
The leader of the opposition had made some statement that there was discriminatory practice, that we were allowing non-residents in not requiring testing and Bahamians requiring testing. That is false. Both required a COVID testing. If you're talking about up to July 1st, we've not thought that far yet. But as far as we're concerned, at this particular time, and even when the Minister of Tourism spoke, those individuals that he spoke about require testing, and all traveling home require testing also. Returning Bahamians and residents will no longer be required to quarantine on returning home, but will be monitored by the Ministry of Health Surveillance Unit and Hubert monitoring app if necessary. To date, the government has facilitated the return of close to 500 Bahamians and residents on Bahamas Air. There have been 5 flights thus far. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Health are working to arrange more flights as necessary.